Part 2, geometry. In this part, we'll first talk about a volume of a shape. And we'll also talk about surface area. Okay, a volume of a 3D figure refers to the numbers of the cubic units needed to fill the figure. Let's say the prism volume is actually equals to area of the base multiply the height of the prism. So if you say B is the bottom of the area and H would be the height. For example, volume of a rectangular prism, we can use the B, which is, so if we can quickly draw one. This is the base. We have length of L, width of W, and height of H. We first find out the area of the base, L multiply W, and then we multiply H. That would be the volume for a rectangular prism. For the volume of a triangular prism that we have would be that has a triangular shape as the base. So first we need to find, say this is H, the height of the triangular base, triangular prism. We find the area of the base, which is 1/2 the base multiply its height, and then the total height of the prism. Part 2, volume of a cylinder. Cylinder looks something like this. So it has a circular area on the top and bottom, and then the vertical height. So basically the base now is a circle, which is pi r squared, and the height is h. So the volume would be pi r squared, that's the base, multiply the height. We also want to talk about the surface area. First one, let's find the surface area of a cube. For a cube, the definition for a cube is it's a square on every single side. So say the base now, say the base length is L. Since it's a square, the width is L, the height is L. So then the surface area of a cube is you have to add all the surfaces up. How many surfaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 surfaces, and each one is a square. So the area would be 6L squared. Number 2. To find the surface area of a rectangle prism, calculate area of each side and add them together. As we said, we have an example here, length of L base and width and a height. So we have for a rectangle prism, we have 2 surfaces on the top and bottom. They are identical in surface areas. The area would be twice of L multiplied W. And then we have 2 surfaces on both ends that they are identical. The surface area would be H multiplied W. And now we have the 2 areas that's in the back and the front. So that area is 2L multiply H. So we basically add all surfaces up. That's the surface area for a rectangle prism. Number 3, here is a triangular prism that we have talked about a little bit earlier. For a rectangular prism that we have this side, we have side of the front and the back, and both of them are a triangle, and we need to find using the triangle area. And we have also 3 sides. One is facing up, one is in the back, and one is in the bottom. Those are rectangles. You basically just use one side and multiply the other. So we'll leave this problem for the